Alright, hey Juan, I just figured it would be easier for me to send you a quick video. So again, look, if I'm looking at your individual Schoology, if I go to grades, again, APS resource is all zeros because that's just an overall thing. We're currently in quarter one, so you are looking at this quarter one grade, which is a 55.81%, okay? If you look at the assessments, which are 40% of your grade, so that's only a chunk of your grade, that's at a 54. Again, if you look through all those, you can see what grades you got. So like this one, you got about half of it correct. This one, you got a 40%, so a little less than half. This one, 30 out of 50, so a little more than half. This one, only 19 out of, or 20 out of 50, so that's less than a 50. This one you did great, checkpoint, and then the last test you got a 41. So on both tests, you only got about a 40%. So not a passing grade on those, okay? Then you jump down here, yes, this is your classwork. This is all the homework assignments. So like if we were in a face-to-face class, you have homework, you have quizzes and tests. Those are your two categories. That's what this is, the breakdown of it. Yes, as far as homework goes, yes, you were doing great. You got a 64, but that doesn't count the assessments. You can scroll through and see all those. And then again, the last section is notes. Notes are any discussion boards, any actual notes you had to turn in, any assignments where you had to do like the Khan Academy stuff. So if I look at this, it says my overall grade is 15%. So like you have a 55, a 64, and then a 15%. That's pretty low. If I look at this, look at all, like you have a bunch of zeros. So yes, you have turned in some notes. You turned in this learning log. It was perfect. You typed it out. You turned in this set of notes. Perfect. Turned in this set of notes. Well, both of these are 2 out of 5, which means you probably only did half of it. But then you have all of these zeros. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing notes or discussion boards. And then you have 1, 2, 3 of them that you turned in, but you didn't turn in correctly. I remember at the beginning of the year when I kept emailing you and saying, hey, there's a problem with what you're turning in. It's not working. Well, you never fixed those. If I click on this set of notes, it comes over here. It shows me what you turned in. This is what you turned in for this assignment. There's no possible way for me to grade this. It's just a bunch of letters because of how you turned it in. So if you want to take a picture of that and turn it in, awesome. I will gladly change this grade. But for right now, I can't read any of this. This is just coding. So you can't get a grade for it. So that might be the mistake, or that might be the difficulty with all of these notes grades that are zeros. So again, if I scroll back down here, this one, and this one are all zeros. So again, you have 6 missing assignments, so you have not turned in all your notes. And then you have 3 assignments that are zeros that you have turned in, but there's something wrong with them. So that might be the quick fix. Again, you want to get this overall quarter one grade up to a 60% at least, okay? So you can either redo one of your tests and that will help, or you can redo a couple of these notes grades and hopefully get this above 15%, which will help, okay? You have until midnight tonight, or you can, email me and let me know that you want the extension, which will give you until next Tuesday. But as far as the grade goes, that's how to read it, okay?